Tired of the social media grind? Let's transform your workflow and supercharge your engagement with Zapier. In this video, we'll dive into how Zapier can automate your social media tasks, saving you precious time and boosting your online presence. We'll cover scheduling posts, keeping an eye on mentions, engaging with your audience, and even analyzing your performance, all automatically. Step 1, set up your trigger. This is what kicks off your automation. For example, you might choose to trigger a zap when you add a new draft post to a Google Sheet. Step 2, choose your action. This is what happens after the trigger. So, if your Google Sheet row is your trigger, your action could be to automatically post that content to Twitter. Imagine effortlessly scheduling posts across multiple platforms with Zapier. You can have content from your content calendar automatically pushed to Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn at your chosen times. No more manual copy-pasting. Beyond just posting, Zapier can monitor your brand mentions. Set it up so that every time your company name or a relevant keyword is mentioned on Twitter, you get a notification in Slack or an email, allowing for swift engagement. Engaging with your audience is crucial. Zapier can help by automatically replying to common questions or thanking new followers, ensuring a consistent and responsive presence. Finally, let's talk performance. Zapier can gather data from your social media analytics and compile it into reports, perhaps in a Google Sheet or a dedicated dashboard, so you can easily see what's working and what's not. By automating these tasks, you'll gain back valuable time, improve your social media engagement, and make your marketing efforts far more efficient. Get started with Zapier today and revolutionize your social media strategy.